Hi guys, it's me again and kain tayo ng isaw. Yan, meron tayong suka. Suka guys. Yan, ipapakita ko sa yung suka guys. Yan. Tapos, meron tayong hot sauce sa samyang to guys, sa noodles to. So, tikman muna natin ng may suka kasi mas masarap pag may suka. Yan, kain tayo mga guys. Kain tayo mga B. Yan. Lumaki na ako, no? Dati nga sibuyas chicheria lang yung aking pinakain eh. Sarap na mga B. Try naman natin itong isaw naman hot sauce. Unti lang natin, natatakot ako mga B. Wala pa akong tubig mga B. Wait lang mga B. Yan. Untian lang natin mga B kasi natatakot ako mga B. Yan siya guys. Sarap na. Pero medyo maanghang mga B. Uy, mga B yung anghang mga B. Mga B. Ang anghang talaga B. Pero unti lang naman yung nilagay natin. So don't need to worry na. Kuha muna kaya ako ng tubig guys. Wait lang.
Sunlight on one cookie, and underneath is a cake with the one having cream flavor with mussel and the other with strawberry.
It looks so good, and the layers of dark chocolate, light chocolate, and white.
Dito na ako guys.
The tiny crack here, and that must make
Cold water nga pala yung kinuha ko.
Nothing else crack. And I've got to be really careful when smashing it so I don't destroy the face.
Anghang yan guys ha.
wow. Oh, isn't that amazing? Oh, wow.
Such a delicate cake that you come round it.
Sarap, babe. Sorry, mama ko lang yan.
That's beautiful. Really nice and light. The strawberry with
Mama ko lang yun guys kasi yung pinsan ko makulit.
So
Ngayon kasi ako pinsan. Kulit.
so delicious.
Yan guys. Kanta yun.
what we'll do.
Sarap mo yung mga B. Miss ko na yung chicheria na pampaganda. Charot. Eme lang.
Overall, it wasn't that brilliant, but it's a wonderful thing. So bits of it were fantastic.
Grabe ba tayo mukbang guys?
The best feedback I've ever had. I blanked out at one point. I was just like,
Mag-subscribe kayo sa akin guys. Mag-subscribe. Please subscribe. Sarap. So, 7 pala yung binili ko. Sarap.
what a wise song.
7 pieces na isaw.
So I was so pleased. Look at the variety and the imagination and the difference.
We came into this showstopper with
Sarap nyo guys. Ang sarap.
and actually I think what's happened is Jacob has come bounding through again.
Guys, like nyo itong video at mag-subscribe kayo.
Has he done enough against the powerhouse that was Maxi, who also did very, very well? He did
Sarap nyo guys.
it's going to be abstract, and it was. I think she did a great job. So when you look at Mark, I loved his design for his snowman head was really good. Dome was like
Mama ko nga pala yun guys.
yeah, it did.
Yung ginagawa yung mama ko.
One element of life calls him up to me.
That's a mistake, but I mean, he's in a very strong position to take Star Baker. Talking about mistakes, that wasn't a good day for
Ay.
Maggie, unfortunately.
Ang tunog na yan para kasi nanonood yung mama ko ng TV.
It's been okay. I think 3 people.
Grabe mga B. Ang sarap niya mga B.
And Maxi.
Sarap niya guys.
Glad that we don't have to choose.
Sarap. Sarap niya mga B.
Bakers, thank you so much just hanging near
Dito ako mga B.
We
Wait kayo.
absolutely adored having you with us.
Unfortunately, there can only be one winner. And the winner of the
Bang pala to.
New Year's Bake Off is...
Sarap guys.
Maxi.
Gas. Sarap. Sige na mga B. Part 2 na lang. Gawa akong part 2. Bye! Mag-subscribe kayo sa akin ha. Joke lang, lang. Mag-like kayo at mag-subscribe ha. Yeah, bye na.